Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulu and today we have a clarifying video. I'm going to show you guys how I use apple cider vinegar and charcoal to clarify my scalp. If that's something you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, so we're back. So I was using a lot of products this week, so I definitely need to clarify my scalp. So let me show you guys my hair so you guys can see what I'm working with today. I look crazy. So this is my hair, sticky. Definitely need to wash it. But yeah, this is my hair and I'm gonna go ahead and clarify it. So what I'm gonna use today, I'm gonna tell you guys what I have and what you guys can use, and I'm sure you guys have all this in your kitchen. So first things first, I have apple cider vinegar. It's organic. I got this, I believe, from Rite Aid. I think so. So this is the apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar is known to balance your pH from your scalp, also help you to have shiny hair, and it cleans your scalp from buildup from products. So I have that, and I actually have a little mixture here. So half of water, half of apple cider vinegar, and I have this here in this bottle. Now, another thing that you guys can also use, what I'm using today, will be charcoal. So this is already made. This is from the brand Milagros, the Colombian products, which I did a review on before. So I'm gonna show you guys a way that I use this one. So now, if you guys don't have this, that's fine. You guys have two options. You can either get the nature cream of nature pre-shampoo charcoal treatment. I'll insert a picture here. I've never used it, but I'm sure it's like the same thing. It has charcoal, so it's the same thing. Or you guys can, if you guys just have plain charcoal at home, you can literally mix it with your favorite conditioner and mix it up and put it in your hair. Put it on your hair. Now what's good about this is for anyone that has like very oily scalp and dry ends, which I do have. So basically for hair wash today, I'm going to use this first, and then in the shower I'm going to go ahead and put this. So I'll show you guys how I put this treatment in, and then in the shower, well, I'm not going to show you guys what I do in the shower because I'm also going to bathe, okay? So but you can just literally spray it in your scalp, but I'll show you a little clip on how I do that. But basically, that's what I'm using today to clarify my scalp before I shampoo and deep condition today, because I really need the extra help. All right, guys, so I'm going to see you guys in the bathroom, and I'm going to show you guys how I apply the charcoal first. All right, guys, so we're back. So I had to leave real quick. I had to buy a couple things for my room. So all right, so let's get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna go start out with using this on my hair all over. And then the apple cider vinegar, I'm gonna use it in the shower because it smells really bad. But for the most part, you're just putting it on your scalp. Right now I'm applying the charcoal all over my hair and my ears. Alright. So make sure to go all over. So I'm not really gonna detangle or anything like that. I'm just gonna apply this everywhere on my hair. And then I'm gonna detangle after I shampoo and the deep conditioner. That's just how I do it. That's just how I wanna do it. So let me go ahead and saturate my hair and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so I applied all of that on my hair. I literally emptied the bottle. So I got this. Let me see, when did I get this? I have a little bit here. I got this back in May of last year. Wow. It lasts me a long time. All right, so I already applied all that in my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the apple cider vinegar. This is a mixture of water, apple cider vinegar, and that's it. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm just gonna apply it on my roots. But it's really, all right guys, I'm gonna take this into the shower. I'm gonna saturate this all in my hair. I'm gonna leave it in for 2 minutes, wash it out, and then we'll come back and show you guys how I'm gonna style my hair today. All right guys, I'll be right back. Oh, one more thing. Now that we're in the shower, let me show you guys what I'm actually do to shampoo my hair. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so we're back. So today I'm gonna be using my Milagro shampoo, this one, and then I'm gonna follow it through with the conditioner, the Emergencia. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this today and just go ahead and finish some of my Colombian products. Well, clearly I won't be able to finish this. I still have a lot more to go with this, but I think I can get a good 2 use out of this one right here. But let's see, guys. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and finish my wash. I'll come back and we'll probably be in my room. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I already deep conditioned, so I'm all deep conditioned. But I'm gonna apply some heat. So I have my heat cap, which I got from Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will link that below so you guys can get it too. I believe it was like $15. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. So I have a shower cap, then I have this cap which came with it, and I'm gonna leave this on for 45 minutes. Minimum you guys can do it is 15 minutes, but I'm a little excessive, so I'm gonna do 45. All right, so I'll see you guys when my hair is all wet and ready to style. I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, so we're back and I am all washed. All right, guys, so my hair smells so good after I clarify it, deep condition, and everything. So this is my hair, no product. Not too shabby, right? All right, guys, so I'm gonna style my hair today with the Colombian styling cream. So it's mantequilla de mango with vitamin C. All right, so first things first, let me wet my hair just a little bit because it is a little damp because I did have it in the towel. And then I'm also going to be using my Denman brush. And let me part it in the middle. Let me go get some clips as well, guys, so I can show you guys how I'm going to style my hair today. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, the line. All right, let me go get some clips. That way I can show you guys how I'm going to style my hair today using the mango treatment. I mean, I've done this already, but I'll show you guys just a little bit of it, and then I'll show you guys my final result, okay? All right, guys, so we're back. Now, real quick, I'm just going to talk about the apple cider vinegar and how I used it. So basically, what I did was I did it in the shower and I put it all in my scalp. Well, I sprayed it all in my scalp. And let me just tell you guys that it made my hair so soft. Like, I was really impressed. I don't know if it was because I used the clay mask first And then I used the apple cider vinegar, but it left my hair so soft, like, and I literally rinsed with it, and then I left it on for 2 minutes, like washed my body, and then I rinsed it out and then shampoo and deep condition. So yeah, guys, that's basically all I did. And now I'm just using my tratamiento de mango to style my hair and see how it's gonna come out. But basically, that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and style this hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final touch, the final result. I'll be back. All right, guys, welcome back. So this is my result. Look how nice my hair came out after using the apple cider rinse. But let me get close up in here so you guys can see. Right? Don't they look gorgeous? Look at that curl. All right, guys, so to style my hair today, I did use the Milagro Mango just because I did use the charcoal brand from Milagro as well. So I was just like, let me just pair it up and with the shampoo. So basically that was it. But the star of the show for sure is the apple cider vinegar. So you guys can find this anywhere, basically. Walmart, ShopRite, drugstores. You guys can find apple cider vinegar anywhere. It does not need to be organic. It just could be any brand. And then make sure you do mix it with water. So half apple cider vinegar, half water, and that should be it. And then you guys should get a beautiful result just like mine. And then for the clay mask, I am going to insert a picture right here. You guys can get that one, the Cream of Nature. You guys can purchase that one. Or you can make your own with just the charcoal powder, deep conditioner, or regular conditioner. Mix it up, put it on your hair, leave it on, then follow it through with the apple cider vinegar. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.